So today I got a quick review for you. We're going to be looking at the 2017 to 2019 Toyota Highlander custom H11 LED bulb conversion kit by Lasfit. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, honestly. Nice dust covers that are included with bulbs. Custom shaped for the Highlander. We'll be comparing the Lasfit to the sea lights and then the stock halogens that come with it. Which you can see the stock's on the left, the sea light on the right. Honestly, the sea light's not really any brighter. Now when you get the Lasfit in there, that's much brighter than the sea light, about twice as bright, honestly. It looks great. Now I'm going to show you the install on the passenger side. It's just a little easier to get to. First, remove the washer fluid drain. It's easy. You just compress that little clip and it tucks right away. Don't forget to put that back in like I do later. Just turn the dust cover on one side. It comes right off. You won't reuse this. Turn and slide out the bulb. I'm uninstalling the seal lights here, so it's just easier for me to get to it. You'll have an easier time than I do unplugging this thing. Lasfit bulb, don't forget to remove the little cover on that. And the shape of the heatsink and the fan is very nice. When you're inserting it and turning it to put it in place, you won't run into the side of the housing like you do with other bulbs. Just insert, give a little bit of extra pressure to compress that orange ring, and it slides right in. It's a very nice secure fit. Dust cover has a fan built into it, so you just plug one into the other and it will feed off the headlight housing bulb. And if you look at the other side of the dust cover, there's a vent for that fan. Just make sure that's generally pointed in the downward direction and you're good. There's also a nice rubber gasket built into the Lasfit cover. It's actually a little bit nicer than the one that's stock. It's a much better fit. A little more secure, so you have to apply a little bit of pressure, but once you do, it turns right into place. That's it, you're done. Both headlights installed as Lasfit. Much brighter, about twice as bright as the other LED brands, I have to say. I like these a lot. Definitely going to keep them.